summer camp going on. Oh, hello. Happy birthday.
Thank you, bhai. Thank you.
What's up here? क्या क्या चल रहा है?
This is the third day of the summer camp. First 2 days बहुत response है हम लोग को already. I think more than 250 people have already registered. This is the third day. देख सकते हो already like आज तो बहुत like घूमने पर like they cannot come today, but still a lot of people who are already here.
मोदी जी है।
हाँ, तो
हाँ,
today you have
Modi is coming.
invited Modi ji to come
Yeah.
to the camp.
Yeah, he had asked me, but मैंने बोला कि देखते हैं बाद में.
And there we have Abhudaya, the
Yes,
head
yes.
of this camp. He's managing so much. Abhudaya,
हाँ भाई.
अभी कितने बजे सोते हो तुम?
मतलब अभी तो ठीक ठाक मिल रहा है, ठीक है, but usually हाँ रात को जगना पड़ता है sometimes, but now
So you're
it is
sleeping
fine.
in the morning.
Yes.
And how has been your birthday going on?
But it was very nice. Yesterday like सारे like चश्मे सिन्हा के टीम सारे हम लोग मिले थे. So that was very nice. I think it was the first time like जैसे इतने सारे चश्मे सिन्हा के members साथ में जो थे. Also it happened to be my birthday. I think it was very nice.
Cool. And
Yes.
can you tell us some more things about the camp? Can you
Yes.
take us through?
First, if you come to the camp, this is the registration. This is Himang. Can you tell us like how has been the response?
I think the response has been amazing, especially because in the first day it was like the monsoon camp. So much raining was there. Even then, I think a total of 91 people appeared, which was huge. And we have been seeing a lot of unique people coming in, like not just the same people. Like for example, yesterday we had 107 people come in. I think this is a huge success for the camp. People are enjoying themselves a lot. Abhyudaya was just playing a fun hand and friend game at some point. Then there are some bug house chess being played. Also, people are loving the sheets. They're solving very seriously. Some people solving 7, 8, 9 sheets a day. So it's amazing, I think. Overall, very huge response.
So you've traveled here from which place?
Berhampur. I'm coming from Berhampur. Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, let's take the next guy over here.
Some person is.
This is the next guy. भाई side आ जाओ. This is Mihir Waghela, the vlogger. भाई बताओ how has been your experience in the summer camp?
इट्स ग्रेट. लास्ट टाइम से तो और मज़ा आया. और ये समर कैंप में तो मानसून कैंप भी हो गया था क्योंकि पहले दिन बहुत बारिश आई थी, बट तो भी स्टिल इतने सारे लोग आए थे. और हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि और चेयर्स करने का भी. हम लोग प्रमोट करने के लिए भी डरते हैं समर कैंप क्योंकि ना इतने सारे लोग ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं. तो वी आर ट्राइंग कि और सीट्स बढ़ाए और टेबल्स बढ़ाए. तो आई होप सो, फिंगर्स क्रॉस कि और बड़ा होता रहेगा ये विजन. तो आते रहिए आप लोग. 4 to 8 PM 19th में तक चल रहा है. लेट्स गो.
Amazing.
As you can see here, this is Vidhi.
अरे
भाई tell us your experience. आपका कैंप को कैसा लगा?
I think personally it has been a very beautiful journey क्योंकि last year winter camp के time पे I had messaged Sagar. I was in a full time job at that time. तो मुझे 1-2 दिन का half day का time था तो he asked me to join as a volunteer. So I still have that picture of my card that says volunteer of winter camp, and then the cards changing to organizer of summer camp with Abhyudaya and the team. So it's been a wonderful journey to be on the other side, and the fact that it's coming from a space of pure joy and love for chess, and the fact that we're going to share it with everyone, whatever age, whatever gender, wherever they belong to, and anybody can just join in any day at their own pace. They can just come, learn, have fun.
amazing. What has been your most enjoyable moment until now in this camp?
The most enjoyable moment has been finding my tribe.
Wow.
Which has been vibing with my team, which I thought might be a little difficult since they are all coming from different backgrounds. They were all vibing together, making sheets. इतने दिन से वो लोग सब साथ में थे. We were all at office. तो जब यहाँ पे आ रहे थे and we were meeting so many of them for the first time, but it never felt like we just don't know each other. So chess brought us all together, and now it's like we are all just one. There is no separation between any team or any.
Beautifully said, Vidhi. मजा आ गया. Moving next to Yasin.
Yasin Sheikh. This is our.
कैसा
He's the
है
person
भाई?
who handles all
क्या
the things
लग
in the
रहा है?
office. बताओ भाई आपको क्या experience था
जिंदा
camp
है
में?
यासिन.
हाँ यस मैम, जिंदा. आज मेरा फर्स्ट डे कैंप में एंड मुझे तो अभी तक कुछ एक्सपीरियंस हुआ नहीं है, बट लास्ट टाइम कैंप में आई वॉज अवेलेबल ऑल द टाइम. सो लास्ट टाइम का कैंप तो वॉज वेरी गुड, बट आज तो मेरा फर्स्ट डे, तो आज एक्सप्लोर करते. मे बी आई कैन से ऑल द थिंग्स इन नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू.
और चेस सीखेगा कि नहीं अभी?
मे बी ट्राई आई कैन.
हाँ, एक दिन पक्का.
यस.
This is our latest addition to the team. Amrita, बताओ.
Oh.
He has been volunteering.
I'm meeting you for the first time, Dhruv.
Second
how
time.
are
First
you?
we met at the club. I have come to meet you. So this is second time technically.
Awesome.
No, but the club is going great. लाइक कल तो इतने सारे चेयर्स फुल हो गए थे, इतने सारे लोग थे, पीपल वर स्टैंडिंग, इट वाज सच अ क्लटर. Phoenix people had to come and tell us कि ऐसे अलाउड नहीं है, लोगों को बिठवाओ. Yeah, this time you can see that so people are sitting. So yeah, it's great fun.
It's amazing. So you're enjoying.
Yeah, definitely I'm enjoying.
Lovely. Hope to hear more from you after the end of the summer camp.
Definitely.
And who do we have next?
So this is Shashank Mukashi, who is the head coach of this summer camp. He has helped to make the sheets which we are giving in the camp. Bhai batao, like what are the changes and what are the new additions we have made in the sheets?
So there are lots of new topics which we have, like simplification and the forced move and interference clearance, and there are some tough ones also, like studies we have like uploaded, like we have it. So you are feel free to come and enjoy the club. Thank you.
Yeah, and Shashank has contributed so much in the material, and he's been a great addition. So thank you, Shashank. And he's also a coach here in Mumbai. Teaches, has many good students. So definitely check that out.
Surely.
यहाँ पे शीट्स देते हैं हम लोग. So this is Adarsh, who is the tech head of Chessbase India.
तूने कभी एग्जाम के लिए अच्छे से पढ़ाई की है?
हाँ भाई.
हाँ यार, ये तो अपना बहुत ही ऑलराउंडर है, इसको नहीं पूछना चाहिए.
Yes. So he's been helping handling the sheets, and also he has a chess ranga corner there. I think he'll be able to explain it better. भाई बताओ ना.
Where have you traveled from?
I just came from Delhi 2 days ago.
Amazing. And you are a tech guy. You're working on Chess Ranga and so many other things, Help Chess and what not. So this experience is completely different.
Yes,
I
yes.
want to hear more from you about it.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm dealing with a lot of people, like meeting so many random people, and it's just amazing that everyone wants to learn chess and everyone is so excited about this. It's just an amazing feeling. Yeah.
Cool. And what is your, like, in the last 2-3 days, how did you find it?
It's just amazing because everyone is just trying to learn and not like everyone is there कि उन्हें ना मतलब सीखना ही सीखना है. अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम ये ले जाएंगे वो ले जाएंगे, मतलब हमारे पीसेस भी यहाँ पे रहते, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है. और जितने भी लोग आ रहे हैं दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल, दूसरे लोगों को भी मतलब बता रहे हैं सब कुछ. इट्स वेरी गुड.
मस्त है. और चेस रंगा कॉर्नर क्या है, जरा बता सकते हो
So
क्या?
Chess Ranga is our online product where we are trying to build a new product जहाँ पे you can come and solve interactive puzzles, right? By watching videos and directly solving the puzzles. तो आपको मतलब कभी भी मूव करते हो तो it will give you a feedback whether the move was correct or not and why it was not correct or whether you can make a better move or not. So it's like that.
Nice. So Adarsh, who's traveled from Delhi over here, is having a lot of fun. Let's move to.
Guys, so अभी I just got this chocolate from one of the volunteers. I think उसको पता था कि मेरा बर्थडे है.
क्या बात
हाँ
है?
भाई देखो भाई.
ये क्या, अभी तो तुमको क्या क्या गिफ्ट्स मिलने वाले हैं?
मैंने बोला था सबको भाई लेके आ जाओ.
तू चॉकलेट खाता है क्या?
हाँ इसको दे दूंगा भाई. दे लो भाई. हाँ भाई तो अभी लेके चलते हैं. आई विल शो यू सागर शाह. यस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट इज सागर शाह. आ जाओ यहाँ पे.
हाँ, इस सागर शाह को बहुत बार देखा है, बार नहीं देखा.
Guys, this is Nitin Chandan. He is also one of the head coaches of the Big Chess Summer Camp. He has been doing it from the last two camps, no?
Yeah, this is the third camp.
Yes. So share us your experience. आपको क्या experience हुआ? Like, how do you think this third one is different from the last two ones? Also, how do you think has been the response?
The best part is the people are keep on the number of count has been increased. In a day, we are looking around like there are 100 plus people who are coming here, which is a very good thing. And like we have never seen this the last two camps, and we can see all age group, like from kids from 6 years to plus 60 years, which is the best part about the camp. And also that people are free to do their work, like people are solving their sheets, they are playing games, there is no compulsion, and they're doing their own stuff here, so that's the best part about it.
But एक बात बताओ कि you are also a chess coach, right? How is this one different from the normal training sessions which go on?
So usually in training session, like we have some plans, we have some topics in the mind, and then we start up the session. And over here there are already topic which is there in the sheet, and there is step-by-step procedure, and there's like there is level sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So there is already a steps which is already made for them, which makes them more easy to go.
Amazing. Thanks Nitin for being here being in all the camps and helping out. Abhi, where is Priyanka?
Priyanka, I'll show you Priyanka. She's already, of course, she's helping so many people.
Priyanka seems like a very,
Yeah, she's
secret
very-
में से
हाँ,
रखा
यही
है
है, यही है।
उसको secret box में.
See, देखो, another head coach. This is Priyanka Ved, advocate Priyanka Ved. Bhai, tell us your experience. आपने दो camps किया है. How was your experience?
Experience was very fabulous. I think it's always very surprising also to see these many people coming in, and most of the times we see new faces and brilliant young talents. So yeah, overall great experience.
But Priyanka, such amazing, energy and enthusiasm. All the camps you've been there. You're also a chess coach. I think you have many little kids. Your youngest student would be how old?
I think 3 years, 8 months.
My God, are you going to go into a Guinness Book of World Record?
No, I think we have had younger ones in the camp as well. Like we had a 2-year-old, I think 2.5-year-old coming and playing.
Then you should definitely have. You will be having more patience, I believe, because it's very hard to teach such young kids over here.
Then chess has become young. So yeah, I think it's absolutely amazing to see such vibrant faces moving around, and they're all very accommodating. So they'll just find their own ways of solving, maybe playing games, seeking help, helping one another. So I think overall it's a great atmosphere to be in.
And how is the team going on? Like the team bonding, and are you guys able to work together, or how is it?
Okay. Yes, the team bonding. So at the start of the camp,
तो fishy लग रहा है.
at the start of the camp, I think it's very stressful also because everyone's overworked. But I think as days pass, I think things settle down quite a bit.
Yeah, and we have a birthday boy here. So what are the plans today?
Bhai, nothing. We'll finish the camp right now.
And let's cut the cake.
अभी आपका नाम बताओ.
खींचेगा ना अभी. Hi, what's your name?
अथर्व.
And how is the camp going for you?
गुड.
मजा आ रहा है?
यस.
कुछ बताना है?
नहीं.
Okay. Hi, what's your name?
कुमार.
And how old are you?
आई एम 9.
You're 9 years old. And are you enjoying this camp?
Yes.
What have you learned?
I've learned I have to tell the names of every single one of the 18 sheets I've completed.
18? Seriously?
Yes.
And are you going to play the tournament also?
No.
But did you learn chess before also?
Yes.
Wow, nice. So are you going to complete all the sheets?
I hope so.
Nice. Anything else you want to add?
Yes. I want to add that I'm doing sailing.
Wow.
I started in Goa. I did 8 hours in Goa for 2 days.
8 hours?
8 total hours. 8 hours in 2 days. There I learned sailing and started sailing. Now I started from 2nd May to 19th May sailing in Mumbai. On 19th May I have a race.
And your race is like, is it all young kids like you?
Yes.
Is it like under 10 or under something like that?
All the people who are in.
Oh, even old people are there. Like 30 years old, 20 year old.
There are below 10, there will be above 12, above 10, and
Nice.
there will be above 18.
That is amazing. So you like sailing, and please do share your photos
There will be
or
some
some
of-
video of yours, which we can tell our people, like such a young guy is doing sailing.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. There will be some above 18, some above 10, some below 10. The more their age is, they will get a bigger sail, but they'll all be in one race.
One race. And where is this competition?
In
Mumbai.
yes.
Very nice. Amazing. We'll look forward to seeing you here again after winning your sailing competition.
It's on 19th.
Okay.
But I can't come because at 4:30 I have
20th ko you come.
Yeah.
On 20th. Okay?
20th I'm leaving Mumbai.
Where is... Oh! Huh?
I came from Bangalore to Mumbai.
Camp is finishing on 19th. Okay. Okay, we'll see you next time. Will you come here again for the next camp?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
दोषी है, मैं 12 साल का हूँ.
So you are from Indian chess school, right?
हाँ.
So you are training under Praful sir.
Yes.
So how is the experience? आपको like how long are you training first of all?
So I started January, but now one ma'am took over. So sir hired a ma'am, and she because ma'am is much stronger than sir.
What is her name?
That's why he hired her.
Okay. So how did you come to know about the Big Chess Summer Camp?
Me.
This one, the camp. How did you come to know?
Sir sent something like the website on group, and he sent all the details. So he told to the timing, and my father like he thought it would be interesting for me, and I would teach a lot of people, so he enrolled me in.
You have been teaching a lot of people.
Yeah.
How has been your experience?
Back to back. Back to back.
Back to back. It's good.
I
yeah?
get everything back to back. Everything is in QE. So I just got free right now.
Very good.
Everyone is calling me, so I'll tell हाँ मैं 2 मिनट में आता हूँ, मैं
Yes,
2
yes.
मिनट
हमें
में
बुला रहे हैं, अभी चलो भाई.
कौन?
कोई नहीं. वीडियो के लिए बुला.
क्यूट वॉलंटियर है यार ये.
He's doing a very good job. भाई तुम
You're a volunteer.
Yes, वही तो
yes,
बोला.
yes.
He's a volunteer.
Oh,
That's why everyone is calling him.
He's from Indian Chess School. Praful sir का ये है ना.
that is amazing. क्या बात है?
मेरा फेवरेट वॉलंटियर है.
Harsh is here actually.
Where?
Yes, he's teaching someone.
Ah,
You can
okay,
show.
let's-
Harsh is like he has come for the second time. He has come all the way from Delhi.